Hey everyone, David Coe, the Coe Real Estate Group. Hey, happy July 4th. I hope you have a nice, wonderful day off, and here in the morning you're enjoying a nice hot cup of coffee or whatever beverage you have in the morning, and maybe wondering about where the local fireworks shows are going to be this year. Well, I put together a guide for you that I'll walk you through here, and if you want to get more details on any of these fireworks, check out the link to the great local anchor article that kind of has direct links to all these different shows. All right, so without further ado, number one in Redondo Beach, down by the Redondo Beach Pier in King Harbor, there is a fireworks show that goes from 6 to 10 p.m. Redondo tends to be a little later in the show, so probably closer to 9:30 or 10. But, great spot to see fireworks down by the water. We also have in El Segundo by Stevenson Park. This one actually goes from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Then there's going to be food trucks during the day, live music. This is a big event, so something where you could go a little earlier and stay and enjoy the fireworks show. Then in Palos Verdes, down by the Kendaya Civic Center, so kind of down Hawthorne, almost before you get down to PV Drive. Again, another 3 to 9 p.m. show all day long. There's going to have booths and food and music and all kinds of stuff for the whole family. And this one will go a little bit sooner. And oh, by the way, this isn't a fireworks show. This is a drone show. So if you want to go see a really festive drone show, maybe head down to PV. Torrance is also doing a fireworks show. It's going to be at the Galaxy Sports Center, so kind of right about around where the City Hall is. And again, this one goes from 6:45 to 9:30 p.m. So there will be a few festivities prior to the show and a fireworks show that probably will start right at sunset. Not to be outdone, San Pedro is actually doing a drone show, and this one's on July the 5th. So if you're busy today, maybe tomorrow you can go check this one out. It's at 9:30 p.m. It's down by Cabrillo Beach. And again, a really cool festive July 4th drone show. And then last but not least, I take it back. We also have in Gardena. Gardena is doing a show from 5 to 10 p.m., a fireworks show. It's in Rowley Park. And they'll also have some food and some music and some events. And then, of course, not to be outdone, if you really want to go fancy, recommend you check out the Queen Mary. This one is a ticketed event if you want to be on the boat to see the show. But of course, anywhere near the Queen Mary, you'll be able to see a wonderful fireworks show all around the Long Beach Harbor. So there you have it. A bunch of fireworks shows, a couple of drone shows that you can mix in with your activities. Either way, please be safe. Don't start any fires, please. And enjoy the time with friends and family. Have a July 4th celebration that is safe and sound. And if you ever want to talk real estate, let me know. David Coe, the Coe Real Estate Group. Hope to talk to you soon.